Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the actual workspace. Open a file, add a page, then place a desktop frame sized 1440 x 1024 so layout decisions are real. Once done, apply an 8px grid to keep spacing consistent and import logo, fonts, and HEX color values so components match branding. Make sure to name your frames and layers now. Clear names speed later handoff. This first action saves time because it forces decisions early and prevents redesign drift as you build. You now construct reusable pieces. Convert nav, buttons, and cards into components with variants for states like hover or active. Once done, use auto layout to control spacing and responsive behavior. Set direction, gap, and padding so elements adapt. Make and apply text and color styles so edits propagate across screens. Use instances, not copies, to speed updates. This reduces repetition and keeps the product consistent because a single change updates every instance automatically. You finish by wiring interactions. Connect frames with prototype links, set triggers and easing, then test flows to confirm user paths. Export icons as SVG and images as 1x/2x PNG or WebP for developers. Make sure to add clear layer names and use inspect to surface CSS, spacing, and font metrics. Include tokens or notes for responsive breakpoints. If something breaks, check auto layout constraints and component overrides first. Fixing a misplaced constraint usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.